For the last 10 years, there has been a systematic attack on the Constitution, on the idea of India, and on anybody who opposed There has been, just warming up right now. अभी warm up हो रहा है. तो there was a systematic, full-scale assault on the idea of India, on the Constitution, and also on millions and millions of people who resisted the ideas being proposed by the BJP, who resisted the attack on the Constitution. Many of us personally were attacked. In fact, some of our leaders are still in jail. One of our leaders has just recently been released. Another one is still in jail. And not only the opposition, but anybody who resisted the idea of concentration of power, of concentration of wealth, of aggression on the poor, of aggression on Dalits, minorities, tribals, was crushed, violently crushed. People were put in jail, people were threatened, and I myself was attacked.
सर ये संसद टीवी का नया फॉर्मेट देखा है आधा आधा ये पहले देखा नहीं हमने
I myself was attacked by order of the government of India, by order obviously of the Prime Minister of India. 20 plus cases, 2-year jail sentence, my house taken away, no problem.
Shame.
Relentless attack in the media, 24/7, every single day, abuse, attack.
Shit.
And then the most enjoyable and beautiful part of it, 55 hours of interrogation by the ED. No, which I really enjoyed. Because by the end of the interrogation, the officer off camera, he switched off the camera and then he asked me, Rahul ji, you've been sitting here 55 hours. आप पत्थर जैसे हो, आप हिलते क्यों नहीं हो? मुझसे सवाल पूछा उसने. तो जब ऐसा आक्रमण होता है, when there's an attack like this on you, you obviously need refuge, you need a place, or you need ideas that defend you. So today I want to start my speech by telling my friends in the BJP and the RSS about the ideas that we used, the entire opposition used, to defend the idea of India. Where these ideas come from and how they gave us the strength, all of us, anybody who opposed the regime, how they gave us the strength to fearlessly take any onslaught that was placed before us.